Hello everyone, welcome to Lemon Ginger. I'm Asha here. Hope you're all doing great. I'm also doing fine. So today's recipe is Kothu Chicken Roast. It's a delicious recipe and you must definitely try it out. It's a very good combination with chapati, appam, rice or porotta. You're going to love it, I'm sure about that. So let's see how this delicious and yummy Kothu Chicken Roast is made. So here I'm taking a pot. If you don't have a pot, you don't have to worry. You can take a bowl. That's fine, which can hold 1 kilo of chicken. That should be fine. So to the pot I'm putting 1 kilogram of boneless chicken pieces. They are cut into small pieces. To it I'm putting 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. And to it goes the juice of half of a lemon, and with the spatula I am just mixing everything really well, and I have to keep it aside at least for an hour to marinate. So after an hour, I'm setting the stove on medium flame and keeping a pan. I'm using here a non-stick pan. To it, I'm pouring 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So we are going to shallow fry this chicken pieces that we marinated just now in different batches. So in between, you will have to add a little more oil. So here, once the oil is hot, I have placed a few of the chicken pieces onto the hot oil. And I'm shallow frying those pieces. It would take around 5 to 6 minutes for each of the batches. So once the chicken pieces are fried, I am moving it into a plate lined with kitchen tissue. And again the next batch goes in, and once all the chicken pieces are fried, it will be like this. I'm keeping the fried chicken pieces aside, and to the same pan we can see a little oil in there. So to it I'm pouring 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil into it, and once the oil is hot I am putting 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and once it starts fluttering I am adding 6 cloves of garlic chopped into small pieces, 1 inch of ginger again chopped into small pieces, and 4 to 5 green chilies. And I'm stirring it for around 2 to 3 minutes just to fry it for a little. And to it goes 3 medium-sized onions cut into small pieces. I'm keeping 1 tablespoon of the chopped onion aside. I'll tell you what is it for. We'll use it later. I'm stirring the onions for 5 minutes. So while these onions are getting cooked, we'll have to chop this cooked or fried chicken into very small pieces. You can see now I'm taking only the bigger pieces and I'm chopping it into further smaller ones. So once I'm done, the onion is already cooked. Now to it I'm putting half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, a little salt to taste, and a handful of curry leaves, and mixing everything well for around 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw taste of all these powders fade away. Now it's time to add the tomato, 1 medium-sized tomato cut into small cubes. And we need to stir it until the tomatoes are half cooked. And to it I am putting 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and I'm stirring it well for around 1 or 2 minutes. And to it I am putting the chopped fried chicken pieces. Mixing everything really well, and once it is mixed I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon of onion pieces that we kept aside before to it. You can add 1 more tablespoon. I just had kept a little only. That's why if you can add more onion pieces right now. And to it I have put 1 or 2 green chilies, and I'm stirring everything really well. Now reduce the flame to very low. And now close and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the steam has well formed inside. Now you could see how much steam is there inside, and that's it. Yummy Kothu chicken roast is ready. It's very tasty. You should definitely try this out. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please do subscribe to the channel Lemon Ginger and share with your friends as well. And until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe and wishing you all a very happy week ahead. Bye bye.